Do you feel nervous while speaking English? Don't worry. Today I will share 3 easy habits that can make your English better in just few days. Hello friend, I am Jugunoo and you are watching the Jugunoo method. If you will follow these 3 habits, so your English will be improved naturally. Habit number 1. Start thinking in English. When you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, I will brush my teeth, I will take a bath, I will go to college. These small sentences will make your mind comfortable with English words. Habit number 2. Speak alone for 2 minutes every day. Stand in front of a mirror and sit on your bed. Just talk about your day. Example, today I went to the market. I met my friends. We had tea together. When you speak alone, you don't feel shy and your confidence will grow. Habit number 3. Learn 3 new English words daily. For example, happy. Today I am very happy. Word number 2, fast. Today train is running very fast. And word number 3, beautiful. This place is very beautiful. If you will do this daily, your vocabulary will grow very fast. Hello friends, start these 3 habits from today. Think in English, speak alone, learn 3 new words every day. Which one you will start first? Tell in the comment box. And if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe the Jugunoo methods for easy tips and tricks. See you in the next video. That's all.